Chinese. Justin. Hi. Hi.
For sure we don't do
Crazy. Warszawa. It's now 5:13 in the morning. My train is in 30 minutes. I'm running a little late. I gotta go. Istanbul.
Ja, Istanbul ist schön. So, es ist eine sehr schöne Stadt. Ist nicht wie hier.
Istanbul ist was anderes, oder?
Ja.
Look who I found. Hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
Oh shit, is it a video?
Yeah?
We're in Warsaw.
Crazy. Warszawa. So have you guys ever heard of aphantasia?
Maybe we can just keep going down that way.
Oh, that's way too zoomed in. What are you trying to figure out?
How to get to Kirby.
And how to get to the conference. Or the gathering. Wrong event.
Same but different.
We had some time to kill before getting our train out of the city, so we decided to take a walk around Warsaw and explore it a little bit. It was so pretty and so cute, and I can't wait to get back and explore again properly.
Last days I was used to like 29 to 30. Yeah.
Are you?
After a very quick train ride, it was a nice short walk to the hotel where the Polyglot Gathering would be taking place. Hi boys.
Oh yes. Hello.
Where are we?
Where are we? Poland.
Poland.
Teresin.
We made it to
We're at the
Teresin.
gathering. Yay. Yay.
We're official. This is our room. It was supposed to be 3 beds, but it's 4. Hopefully
So
they
I
don't,
get a big bed.
if they don't put a stranger in here.
Stranger danger. Stranger danger. Stranger danger.
We'll lock the
Oh yeah. We'll lock the door. Barricade the place. Oh my god.
Bye bye, 再见. All of our meals were included as part of the ticket, which was very nice and very convenient. So we had our first lunch and then we made our way into the big room for the opening ceremony.
The remarkable event, I don't know exactly how much it is now, but still growing.
Go ahead, as you should. That, I don't know what that was.
I don't know what kind of accent it was, but I stand by it. Scotty.
There's so many. Morning, Kirby. Are you ready for day 1?
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go.
Vegans. 好吃吗？不好吃。
Norwegian only has about 5 million speakers. This is a really small language, but en mann kommer langs veien. En turist, nei.
It's always so much fun getting to these language events and getting to meet so many new incredible people, but it's equally as fun catching up with old friends.
Japanese only has that.
Yes.
Okay?
Oh, right.
But you have this, and you have this in Chinese.
When your teacher asks you to. Okay.
But basically there's like no exposure to foreign languages, and so I have this idea that
Baha. How's the gathering so far?
It's really good. It feels good to be back home.
What do you think of the gathering so far?
Good. Lots of people.
People? Lots of people.
Other things too. Yeah, pretty good.
Yay.
Yay.
We did a pub quiz, we sucked.
Big time.
And then we're gonna go eat food.
Yummy. People actually put a lot of effort.
Yeah. Now you have. Cuties.
Thank you.
Mieszkam w Warszawie, a ty gdzie mieszkasz?
Jestem, mieszczem w Kitaju?
W Chinach.
W Chinach.
Tak.
W Chinach.
Hello, hello.
Languages, politics, and indigenous languages.
Oh.
Am I not doing it right? And then?
For sure we don't do it. And now.
Hey, what happened?
Just goes for it.
Oh my god. It's not very fun.
Dolphin is in the shower. Hi.
Did you know?
Dolphin is a...
It looks, my impression, it's like everything is okay. Yeah.
And would it really be a polyglot event without karaoke?
Maybe... Well, he's a
All the data.
Kirby.
All our data.
Oh.
That's a new one.
Starts marching. Justin. Hi.
Wait, that's cute. Has a degree to pursue.
Ah, same. Similar.
Okay, I think that we are ready to kick off now.
So the presentation, there will be a video with where I sign, like presentation international sign, but yeah, I will talk in English. And now I live in Warsaw.
Have to get the moment.
We don't want what you're selling. Go away.
What do you want? Since I need.
Oh. Oh, that.
There's some crazy happening here. Yeah,
That
I
was
did.
a lot of crazy.
I did actually.
Crazy.
I was so. This is why I actually.
Wow. I know. That's why I brought mine, and I'm so sad it's not here.
What?
My hammock. I lost it in Berlin.
That's cool.
Haha.
Should we go to direction again?
Nekem hűr szülőhazám itt, lángokból ölel kis ország.
Isn't it quite random how we end up here, a spirit, a soul, if you wish?
Miftah Yiftah. In Arabic, the key does the opposite. And I thought, thank you for opening.
才是爱情真实的日子。
Books ain't gonna tell me how to behave. No, no.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween.
Ooh. We just finished our last day of the conference, of the gathering.
Yeah, I'm so sad.
为什么?
Because we are leaving tomorrow. On va partir demain.
你去哪里？你明天要去哪里？
Oui, c'est très bien. Je vais à Varsovie. Et Scotty va à Turquie. On dit ça en français,
Turquie.
non? Turquie.
Dobry dom.
Dobranoc.